This video is about syncing your Google Classroom app with G Suite credentials of institution. In this case, PGDC 11. Here we are assuming that you have a Google Classroom app. Open the app, and then it is highly likely that you have already taken the classes in the Google Classroom. So you are shown classes over here. Now, in order to sync this Google Classroom with new G Suite account of the institution, you need to click these three bars at the top left of your window. The moment you click it, you will see the other accounts in your system. Here, simply click on Add Another Account button. On the new page, click the Google. After this, you will be taken on the screen where you will need to provide your G Suite credentials which you have received from the institution. Your email or user ID bounds to end with gc11.ac.in. After providing the user ID or email ID, click the next button. Here, provide the password that you have received and then click the next button. Here, read the terms and then click on I agree. In the next window, click the back button only. Then, by clicking on the top right circular button, you can see that your account is synced with the institution's G Suite account. Here, click the cross button over here. You can see all the classes over here. You can create the classes. You would be able to see here all the classes which you have created on the laptop or the desktop. So this account will sync your desktop, laptop or mobile at the same time. The moment you click on the icon of your class, you will be taken into the stream area of the class. Now that is the further topic of Google Classroom. Just like Google Classroom, Google Meet app can be synced with G Suite credentials of institution. Here again, click at the top three bars in the Google Meet and then click the Add Another Account button. Here click Google again. After this, provide the credentials provided by the institution, that is your email ID followed by @gc11.ac.in and then password. After that, accept the agreement, and then now your Google Meet is synced with the G Suite account of institution. Here, faculty can record their videos and can do the meeting with up to 250 students.